Let us start exercise 8.2. Question number first. Evaluate the following. Sine 60 degree cos 30 degree. Sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. We have idea about the angles, values of the angles together with the ratios. So we will put this value in this. Here the value of sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree. We have idea the value of sine 60 is just equal to cos 30 degree. So root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 degree 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree 1 by 2 also. That means root 3 3, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 by 4. LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. So 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So the value of sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 is equal to 1. Question number second of first. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Is equal to 2 into tan square 45 degree. That means firstly we will write the value of tan 45 and the value of 45, tan 45 will be squared. So we will write tan 45 is equal to 1 square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 square minus sin square 60 degree. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2 square. Here root 3 by 2 square minus root 3 by 2 square cancel. You will get 2 into 1 because square of 1 is 1 is equal to 2. It's our answer. Question number third of first. Cos 45 by cos 45 degree by sec 30 plus cosec 30. Sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Now we will write the value of this angles. Cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree means 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole by sec 30. Sec 30 means opposite of cos 30, and the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 means opposite of, inverse of, multiplicative inverse of sin 30, and the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So value of cosec 30 is equal to 2 by 1. That is 2 by 1. That means 1 by root 2 divided 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. When we will take the LCM of root 3 and 1, we will get LCM root 3. After that we will get this 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. After that 1 by root 2 multiplied root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. When we will multiply it, we will get root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Now we will rationalize this. That means we will multiply 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. We will get root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by here a plus b into a minus b, that means a square minus b square, so that we will write 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 6 square. Now root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, बिकॉज रूट 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 2 आएगा, 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 4 आएगा. 4 इंटू 2 8 माइनस 2 2 जा 4, 4 6 जा 24. Again we will write after multiplication 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 into 3 by minus 16 equal to 2 root 6 minus 2 into 3 root 2. 6 3 18, 18 means 9 3 2, 9 into 2, a square root of 9 is 3, so 2 into 3 by into root 2 by minus 16. Now we will take minus 2 as common. We will write here minus root 6 plus 3 root 2 by minus 16. Minus minus cancel, 2 8 ja. Now we can write 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. It's our answer. Let us we will discuss about fourth of question first. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 degree by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Here the value of sin 30 degree, that is 1 by 2, tan 45 1, that is 1 by 1, minus cosec 60. Cosec 60 degree is the value of, inverse value of sin 60, and the sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So 2 by root 3 by sec 30. Sec 30 means inverse value of cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So here 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. Cos 60 is the equal value of sin 30 degree, and sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 here plus cot 45, that is 1. Here we will take LCM 2 root 3. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 is LCM. So 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4, that is 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3, and divided 2 root 3 on 3 root 3, 3 root 3 plus 4, 3 root 3 plus 4 by 2 root 3. That is 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 multiplied 2 root 3 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Answer. It is here 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Now we will rationalize, then we will get, we will multiply 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. When we will multiply a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b whole to the power 2, we will write a square minus 2, a means 3 root 3, b means 4, plus b square, that is 4 to the power 2, by a plus b into a minus b, that is 3 root 3 whole to the power 2 minus 4 square. After that we will write here 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 minus 2 3 ja 6, 4 ja 24 root 3, 4 4 ja 16 by 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27 minus 16. That is 27 plus 16 is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 27 minus 16, that is 11. It's our answer. Now we will discuss about question number 5th of first. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree. By sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now we will put the value of these angles. 5 into cos 60 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 4 sec 30. Sec 30 means 2 by root 3. 4 into 2 by root 3 to the power 2 minus tan 45, that is 1 to the power 2 by sin square 30 degree. Sin 30, that means 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus cos 30 means 1 by root 3 by 2 to the power 2. Next, 1 by 2 whole to the power 2, that means 1 by 4 into 5. 5 by 4 plus 2 to the 4, 3 root 3 cancel 3, 4 by 3 into 4, 16 by 3 plus minus 1 square, that is 1 by 1 by 1 by 2 square, that means 1 by 4 plus root 3 square 3, 2 square 4, 3 by 4. Now we will solve this. 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 by 2 as a addition or subtraction of fraction. So LCM is 12. 12. 4 3 are 12, 3 5 are 15 plus 3 4 are 12, 4 16 are 64 minus 12 by LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. So 1 plus 3 by 4. 1 plus 3 by 4. After that 15 64 is 79 minus 12. 79 minus 12 by 12 divided 4 by 4, that is 1. 4 by 4. Next 79 minus 12, that is 67. 2 from 9, 7. 1 from 7, 6 by 12 divided 4 by 4, that is 1. And we have idea, if any number is divided by 1, then the result is same. So answer is 67 by 12.